If you're serious about detailed woodwork, intricate cuts, or fine carpentry, you know that a quality coping saw is absolutely essential. Today, I'm breaking down the 10 best coping saws available, tools that excel at cutting curves, making intricate cuts, and handling detailed trim work that other saws simply can't manage. Let's dive right in. First up is the IRWIN Tools ProTouch Coping Saw, designed for comfort and control. Features high-speed steel blade for wood surfaces with a flat bar frame and ergonomic triangular ProTouch handle. Operates at 15 volts with 0.01 meter blade length, 20 teeth, and rectangular blade shape. The handle is made from thermoplastic elastomers, weighing 8 ounces. The ProTouch handle reduces hand fatigue during extended use, critical for detailed work. The flat bar frame provides rigidity and blade tension control. At 8 ounces, it's lightweight enough for precision control without sacrificing durability. Number 2. KAKURI 7260 Coping Saw. The KAKURI 7260 Coping Saw brings Japanese precision to your workshop. Features carbon steel blades suitable for plastic and wood with 5.1-inch blade length and rectangular shape. The wood handle provides a traditional feel, weighing 7.4 ounces. Made from carbon steel for cutlery, ensuring exceptional sharpness and edge retention. The carbon steel construction holds edges longer, reducing blade changes. The wooden handle offers a comfortable grip with natural material aesthetics. At 7.4 ounces, it's the lightest option yet, reducing fatigue during intricate cutting tasks requiring steady hands. Number 3. JORGENSEN Coping Saw. The JORGENSEN Coping Saw delivers comprehensive value, features steel blade for wood and plastic with deep frame design and easy blade installation. Includes coping frame, 15 TPI blade, and 2 replacement 6.5-inch blades. Weighs 9.3 ounces with 15 teeth, rectangular blade shape, and plastic handle. Easy blade installation means quick changes without frustration or tools. Including 2 replacement blades adds immediate value. You're ready for extended use. The 15 TPI configuration balances cutting speed with smoothness. For woodworkers needing reliable performance with convenient blade management, this complete package delivers exceptional value. Number 4. OLSON SF63510 Coping Saw. The OLSON SF63510 Coping Saw offers exceptional versatility. Features high-speed steel blade for wood surfaces with 6.5-inch blade length and 15 teeth. Weighs 9.6 ounces with 360-degree cutting angle capability and wood handle. The standout feature is the 360-degree cutting angle. Rotate the blade to any position for cutting in tight spaces or awkward angles without repositioning your workpiece. At 9.6 ounces, it's substantial enough for stability while maintaining maneuverability. Perfect for complex scrollwork, furniture restoration, or any project requiring cuts from multiple directions. Number 5. STANLEY Coping Saw. The STANLEY Coping Saw delivers legendary reliability. Features carbon steel blade for plastic surfaces with hardened, tempered construction. Weighs 8 ounces with 4-inch blade length, 15 teeth, rectangular blade shape, and wood handle. The rectangular blend shape provides structural integrity. The compact 4-inch blade excels in tight spaces where longer blades can't reach. At 8 ounces with ergonomic design, it balances control with durability. The lifetime warranty demonstrates manufacturer confidence in long-term performance. Number 6. Sutekus Coping Saw. The Sutekus Coping Saw maximizes versatility and value. Features carbon steel blade for acrylic, metal, plastic, and wood. Includes 5 spare blades with cut depth up to 4.3 inches and adjustable blade length up to 6.5 inches. The 99 tooth count provides ultra-smooth cuts in various materials. 5 included spare blades eliminate immediate replacement costs. Adjustable blade length adapts to different project requirements. For hobbyists and professionals working with multiple materials, this saw delivers exceptional versatility at outstanding value. Number 7. IRWIN Classic Coping Saw. The IRWIN Classic Coping Saw offers premium blade variety. Features high carbon steel blade for metal and wood with curved cutting and advanced blade design. Includes 6.5-inch coping saw with 5 assorted blades, hardwood handle, all carded. Has 6.5-inch blade length, 24 teeth, rectangular blade shape, weighing 7.2 ounces. The 5 assorted blades provide options for different materials and cutting styles immediately. The 24-tooth configuration offers finer cuts than standard 15 TPI blades. At 7.2 ounces, it's lightweight for extended use. Number 8. Homoyoyo Coping Saw. The Homoyoyo Coping Saw emphasizes comfort and precision. Features iron blade for wood surfaces with ergonomic handle and lightweight design. Has 70 teeth, rectangular blade shape, and wood handle. The 70-tooth count provides exceptionally smooth cuts, ideal for fine detail work and delicate materials. The ergonomic handle reduces hand strain during extended cutting sessions. Lightweight construction enhances control and reduces fatigue, critical for intricate scroll work. The wooden handle provides natural grip comfort. Perfect for craftspeople focusing on detailed work, model making, or fine furniture components where smooth, precise cuts matter most. Number 9. Bahco Coping Saw. The Bahco Coping Saw brings Swedish engineering excellence. Features carbon steel blade for wood surfaces with interchangeable and turnable blade design. Weighs 8.8 ounces. Bahco's reputation for quality hand tools is well established globally. The interchangeable blade system allows quick changes for different cutting requirements. The turnable blade rotates to various positions, enabling cuts from multiple angles without repositioning workpieces. Carbon steel construction provides excellent edge retention and cutting performance. At 8.8 ounces, it offers substantial feel without excessive weight. Number 10. Generic Precision Coping Saw. Finally, the Generic Precision Coping Saw delivers high tooth precision. made from alloy steel and plastic with 72 teeth and 1.5 centimeters thickness. Weighs 9.1 ounces with 11 by 5.9 inch size and 5.9 inch blade length. The 72 tooth count provides ultra-fine cutting capability for intricate, detailed work, requiring smooth finishes. Alloy steel construction balances strength with weight efficiency. The 5.9-inch blade handles standard coping tasks, while the high tooth count excels at delicate cuts. At 9.1 ounces, it's substantial enough for stability during precision work. Ideal for fine scroll work, jewelry making, model building, or any application requiring exceptionally smooth, precise cuts at an accessible price point. And there you have it, 10 best coping saws available, each offering unique features to match different woodworking needs and skill levels. I've added the links in the description so you can check out more details on any of these saws that interest you. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which coping saw you're planning to add to your workshop.